Getting sick of all the small town talking.
Hi beautiful IGBOTIC nonos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and share this video and give this video a thumbs up as well. And if you're an OG and you're still coming back, thank you very much for supporting me, for supporting this my channel. It's a girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, here to teach you how to speak Igbo, here to teach you your culture. See, don't be shy. Anything you learn is learning, right? Yes, just learn as minimal as possible, as consistent as possible, and before you know it, you're so good at it. So in today's video, we're going to be learning the calendar of Igbo language. That is Oguafor Igbo calendar, Oguafor Igbo. I don't know the video that will coming up first, if it's the other video I did about the days of the week is Igbo in Igbo language, or this Oguafor, which is the calendar in Igbo language. So whichever one that comes up first, hope you'll be able to learn something. So without further ado, let's dive right into this video.
Getting sick of all the small town talking.
So welcome back guys. In today's video, like I said, we are learning the Igbo calendar, which is the Oguafor Igbo. That is what we are learning today. And the Igbo calendar, which is the Oguafor Igbo, is the traditional calendar of Igbo land. It's the traditional calendar system of the Igbo people of Nigeria, which has 13 months in a year, 13 months in a year, 7 weeks in a month, and 4 days in a week. If you watch my previous video where I taught you guys the days of the week, which is the Izu Igbo, yes, these 4 days of the week in Igbo system of Nigeria is Eke, Uri, Afo, Nko. Yes, these are the 4 market days. I explained there as well that in these 4 market days, we use 3 days to farm, and on the 4th day, which is the Eke day, we use it to rest. It's obligated for you to rest on the 4th day, which is the Eke day. Depending on your village constitution, whatever it is, your village can also decide to leave this Eke day and use the Nko day as holiday. Maybe in your village, on the Eke day is the most popular, lucrative market people have, and you sell so many things. So you can decide to say, the king can decide to say, this Eke day is very, is a very active and how will I put it? A very active and profitable market day for us. We're not going to take Eke day as the obligated day for rest. We will take the Nko day. So depending on your village, but mostly then it was just on the Eke day, which is the 4th market day, everybody rests. 4 days in a week plus an extra day at the end of the year. Calendar has its roots steeped in ritualism and symbolism. Many parts of the Igbo calendar are named or dedicated to a certain spirit, more, and deities are also in the Igbo methodology. Some of the spirits and deities were believed to have given the Igbo people knowledge of time. The days, also known as the market days, also corresponds to 4 cardinal points: the north, the east, and the west. Although worship and spirit honoring was a very big part in the creation and development of Igbo calendar system, was emphasized in Igbo mythology. An example of this is the Igbo market days, of which each community has a day assigned to open its markets. I said this before. This way, the Igbo calendar is still in use. The Nri Igbo yearly counting festival, also known as Iguaro, like March, around March. Iguaro is from February, March, from 3rd week of February or 2nd week of February. That is the new year in Igbo. 2nd week of February to March is the new year, yes. And the 13 months is from December, I think from December 2nd week to February 1st week is the 13th month in Igbo. We have 13 months in Igbo, not 12 months in Igbo calendar. In the traditional system calendar, a week, which is known as the Izu, has 4 days. Watch. Days in Igbo is Ubochi. Week in Igbo is Izu. Traditional timekeeper Igbo land are the priests or dibia. Now, the Igbo calendar, which is the Oguafor, after what I explained to you now. This has brought us down to the Igbo calendar, which is Oguafor, that we have come to discuss. The first, which is Onwambu, is from 3rd week of February. Onwambu, in the normal Gregorian calendar, the first of the year is January 1st, right? But in Igbo calendar, the first of the year, like Onwambu, starts from 3rd week of February, and Onwa Abo starts from March. Onwa Ato is April. Onwa Ano is May. Onwa Ise is June. Onwa Ano is May. Onwa Agu is June. Onwa Ifejioko is July. Onwa Alomchi is from August to early September. Onwa Ilo Mo is late September. Onwa Ana is October. Onwa Okike, early November. Onwa Ajana, late November. Onwa Ede Ajana is from late November to December. Onwa Izu Alose, which is the 13th month. Onwa Izu Alose, which is the 13th month, in January to early February. This is the last of the month, the 13th month, which is Onwa Izu Alose, which is Onwa Izu Alose. This is the 13th month, which is the last month in Igbo traditional system of calendar, January to early February. Hope you guys understand with this breakdown I gave you, right? So be sure to say you are very sure that the Igbo traditional calendar has 13 months with my explanation and the way I just labeled it. And unlike the days of the week, people also name their children after this month. Like if you are born in the month, like sometimes during the those days, if you're having some spiritual problem or things are not going well for you, or so many myths that comes behind it, and they want to then ask question on your head, the first thing they will ask is what month were you born, and that particular month you were born, they will go and look for what it represents. If it represents nothing, good for you, but if it has something attached to it, like Anwa Ajana, Ilomchi, blah blah blah, they will know how to maybe settle your case. Maybe there are people they've not settled, or blah 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 blah. I heard those things happen, and even till now, traditionally, they still try to refer it back to the same system. Yeah, it is what it is. Newborns are sometimes named after these days of the month, like I just said. Though this is not commonly used again. Yeah, it's not commonly used again. Now people name their kids Tush name, even in the villages, even people that are born and bred in the village, they no longer answer Eke or Riafon, all those native names and names that come after their month of birth. No, they no longer do that even right now. Everybody has leveled up, Abby. Very soon, they won't be village again. Every will be township. And in this calendar year of the Igbo tradition, the first month, the Onwambo, which is the first month, the Onwabo, which is the second month, they all have what it comes with. Like the Onwabo is dedicated to cleaning and farming. It's dedicated to cleaning and farming basically. And Onwa Ifeke is described to the hunger period. Can you imagine? Onwa Ifeke is coming and everybody's like, this is the hunger period. Maybe that is the period they stored yam in the barn and so many other things. But this particular Onwa Ifeke is the hunger period. Particular Onwa Ifeke, which is the 3rd month, is the hunger period. And Onwa Ano is when planting of the seed yam sets. Yes, this is when planting of the seed yam sets. Onwa Agu, which is the 5th month. Alose Agu of the month. I guess this is the time the priest and the priestess, they all take this very month very seriously, and I can imagine the children that were born in this particular month, what they will be used for, or what they will be, what will be pursuing them. Then so many things were just involved. So this particular very month, which is the 5th month, which is the Onwa Ago, is for the priest and the priestess. So many things are just basically involved. Onwa Ana is the Igbo goddess, the Igbo earth goddess, and rituals for this deity commence this month. Hence, it is named after her. Voila for those days. Oh well, thank God I was not even born those days. So many rules and regulations, right? Not like now, it's as if it's a free world. Even in the villages, like everything is a free. I think then was very strict. I think then must have even been military regime. Yes, because whatever the king says, whatever the deity says, whatever the priestess says, whatever the priest says, whatever the dibia says, is it. So people don't even have opinion. You just whatever the Igbo say and whatever the priest say is what you guys are gonna abide with. So I think then it will be more strict than now. I think so. You know, all these things started from those days. Just that in our recent world, technology and everything that comes in between, we think we are better off, or we think things are fine now. Things that happened then are still things that are happening now, but kind of in a more modernized way. Military regime was then, and people are shouting of military regime now. Even then there was military regime, because whatever the king say and whatever the DBS say, whatever the priest says, is the final, right? So you can imagine. Onwa Okike rituals takes place in this month. Whether they are trying to cleanse the land or I don't know, but it's just Onwa Okike. Onwa Ede Ajana ritual ends this month. Ritual ends. I guess maybe there is no ritual this month. Everybody just hold your yam, hold your red oil and your egg. I don't know. Oh my God! Thank God for Christianity. Voila. Onwa Izu Alose, the 13th month, the last month, the offering to Alose. That is basically thanking the Alose or whatever you are worshipping for the year spent, or for the year that went by peacefully and safely, right? Oh my God, so many rules and regulations then. So guys, this is the Igbo calendar system traditionally. And if you can go to your native land, yes, wherever you're coming from the eastern part of Nigeria, right? From the eastern part of Nigeria, right? Wherever you're coming from, if you still go there, they still maintain all these things. Trust me, they still maintain all these things. Yes. And they still maintain all these things. Mostly the elderly ones, not even these recent, the elderly ones. The elderly ones still refers to it. Even the younger ones that want to be Igwe or cabinet, or they still have to go to the grassroots, right? So that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned one or two things. Hope I was able to explain this 13 months for you, because the Gregorian calendar is different from the Igbo traditional system calendar. Yes, because we have things and things and things. We have things and things. You could see the label, the month 1, the month 2, the month 3, the month 4. You could see the label. So it's all assigned to its obligation and its specification. So this is the way it was. So thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't hesitate to share as well, and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you save in your watch letter and repeat consistently, that like I always say, and you'll be good. I have a language I'm learning right now as well in this my old age. I'm learning a language and I'm still doing very well. So you're not gonna do well, please subscribe, and share this video as well. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.
Getting sick of all the small town talking.